All right, practice problem 4. You should have annotated. We need to reflect and label. So we're doing 1, 2 things across X. Record the coordinate pairs. Okay, and again, you don't have to use these lines. You can just type your ordered pairs anywhere. So I'm reflecting across X, so that means it's an up-down movement. So the points up here are going to be moving down here, and the points that are up here at the top will be moving down here to the bottom. Okay, let me erase that. So this is one of those ones that kind of crisscross in the reflection, but it's okay. Just count from the axis. So starting with point I, 1, 2, go 2 in the other direction, 1, 2. So I prime is down here. W, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. W prime is down here. Now we're gonna do B and L. They're in the bottom. We're moving them to the top. So here's B. It's 1, 2, 3. So I go 1, 2, 3. And L is 1, 2. So I go 1, 2. Now you just have to remember to connect the right points. So B goes to I and it overlaps. I goes to W. W goes to L. And L goes to B. So this shape is overlapping itself. It's just turned around in the other direction, right? So it's been flipped over, but it's on top of itself. It's not like the other reflections where one image is on one side and the other image is on the other. This one is on top of itself, and that's okay. Ordered pairs. Oh, this is kind of messy now. Okay, so point I originally was at -2, 2. W was at 0, 3. L was at 1, 2, 3, -2. And B was at -2, -3. So if I'm reflecting across X, my Y's become their opposite. My X's stay the same. So -2 and 2 becomes -2. X's stay the same, 0. Y becomes its opposite. X stays the same. Y becomes its opposite. X stays the same. Y becomes its opposite. Remember, it's X and then Y. X and then Y. Always in parentheses. If you're not putting parentheses, you're losing points on your exit ticket. Let's make sure I did that right. So I was at -2, 2, and then it was at -2, -2. Okay, that checks out. We have a couple of more practice problems.